In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting. Let's dive right into the steps to give your next Teams meeting a bit of personal flair or professionalism by changing your virtual background. This feature can be particularly useful if you're working from home and want to keep your living space private, or simply want to add a more professional look to your meeting environment. First things first, head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your account. It's straightforward, just look for the sign in button and enter your credentials. This is your gateway into accessing all of Microsoft Teams features, including the calendar where your meetings are scheduled. Once you're logged in, make your way to the calendar section. This is where all your scheduled meetings and events are listed. It's a good habit to check your calendar at the start of your day so you know what meetings you have coming up. Now find the event or meeting you want to join from your calendar. It might be the next meeting on your schedule or one later in the day. Clicking on this will give you the meeting details and options. To proceed, click on the link or join button provided in the meeting details. This is your doorway into the meeting where you can interact with colleagues or clients. A prompt might ask if you want to use the web version or open the Teams app. Choose accordingly based on your preference. Before you officially enter the meeting, you'll have the chance to adjust your settings. Click on your video preview. This is where you'll see what your camera is broadcasting. This step is essential for making sure you look as you intend to before joining the meeting. Right there in your video settings, you'll see an option for background filters. Click on this to open a selection of backgrounds you can use. Teams offers a variety of backgrounds from professional office settings to more relaxed scenes. Be mindful of choosing a background that is appropriate for the nature of your meeting. It's time to choose your background. Browse through the available options and select one that you like. You can preview what it looks like with your video before making it final. Once you've decided on a background, it's all set. You're ready to join the meeting with your new background in place. Remember, changing your background not only adds a bit of personality, but also can help minimize distractions for others in the meeting. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain professionalism and privacy. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to change your Microsoft Teams background before a meeting. This simple action can make a big difference in your video meetings, offering both privacy and a touch of personality. Have fun experimenting with different backgrounds for your meetings.